Hello everyone, my name is Rohit Kumar and welcome back to my channel, My All English. Today is day 18 of my 30-day English speaking challenge, and today I'm going to share with you my goal. So basically, right now my goal is learning English language. For completing this goal, I take a challenge of 30-day English speaking challenge. You can say that I am consistent with last 18 days, and now I feel that I can complete my 30-day challenge. It will help me to grow in my goal. So English is very important in our life, because when we have to talk to any other person which is working in any other company or that is outside from our Bihar, then we have to talk in English language, and English is also global language. Because of this, learning English is so important. That's why right now my goal is learning English with full proficiency and fluently, so that I can speak fluently, and it will help me to taking my job and doing so much works. When I don't know how to speak in English, then I sometimes face difficulties in my interview. So for that, I think I have to make a goal for English learning, and I make up my goal is learning English. So my goal is right now learning English, and after that give interview and take a job. So that's it for today.